Supreme Court on Monday asked Manipur and Assam governments and other authorities to consider setting up 2 executive special courts to conduct trials in cases investigated by CIA and NIA in connection with 2023 violence in Manipur. A bench headed by Chief Justice Suryakant and comprising Justices Joymala Bagchi and V. Mohanna directed that one court be considered exclusively for CBI cases and another for NIA cases. The court also sought clarification on whether existing special judges handling these matters are exclusively assigned to the Manipur violence cases or are also dealing with other cases. Additional Solicitor General Aishwarya Bhati informed the bench that the CBI has investigated 31 cases, filing 22 charge sheets and 5 closure reports, while 4 cases remain under investigation. The NIA has filed charge sheets in 15 of the 30 cases entrusted to it, with investigations continuing in the remaining 15. The bench also directed authorities to compile case numbers, charge sheet details, and status of proceedings and ensure that victims, their families, and legal counsel have access to relevant records. Senior advocate Vrinda Grover raised concerns over victims' lack of access to status reports and charge sheets. The court further directed authorities to facilitate uninterrupted CBI and NIA investigations and ensure coordination between the Manipur government, central agencies, and security forces. It may be recalled that the violence in Manipur began on May 3rd of 2023 and has claimed more than 200 lives, while hundreds have been injured and thousands displaced.